Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the game Car Parking Multiplayer 2. So as you can see, I got tons of money right there. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. You can buy whatever car you want. It's super cool, guys, and it actually works. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So all you got to do, guys, is really easy. Just go to the site, and once you're there, just find the Car Parking Multiplayer 2. Press on it, press this button, it will start to download. So if you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to try this out for yourself because it's super cool. Just wait for it to download the mod and you're going to be all set. So if we go to the App Store and type it in, you can see it's very expensive. So I'm just going to type it in just to show you guys. So Car Parking Multiplayer 2. And as you can see, guys, when we go to the in-app purchases, you can see it's really expensive. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to try my video out because it's the only video on YouTube where you can get money for free, guys. I mean, as you can see, I can get any car, guys. This is super insane. Look at this. Any car I want. It's so cool. And yeah, you can be a top dog. So as you can see, I can just buy these cars. I'm not really losing any money. I don't even think the money goes down. But yeah, this is super insane, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. As you can see, all the cars, guys, in Car Party Multiplayer 2 are mine. That is so cool, bro. Look at this. What the heck, bro? How they even developed this? It's a real mod. I don't know if it runs you through a private server when you buy the cars, but yeah, this is super insane, as you can see. So yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself because it actually works. And yeah, you can buy any car you want, which is so fun. If you like this game, then you know that it's all about the cars. And if you don't have any cars, then you suck. So just buy more cars with the mod and you can be so cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super insane, guys, as you can see right here. So yeah, try it out for yourself. Get the word out, bro. This is super awesome.